Look, and this is the way birds should live. They got food out here. And that's Lady Helen and Boris. Damn. For they're all going to come out here. I only just started this. It's so beautiful. The Hercules. Every now and then they'll come out here. Wait up, I'll pause it. And see, look how close they are to me. Alright, look, here's Cutie. That's Cutie. She's a little baby. And she's got a look at her. That's Hercules. And that's a white girl. That's Chocolate Baby. I think that's a dwarf. Because if you look at her compared to the length of the other fantails there, and she's like the leftover spoof from Lady Helen. But they had 3, right? And there's 2 more in there. 2 more little babies, only with yellow hair. And I saw them rooting yesterday, Boris and Lady Helen. So therefore they're going to have more babies. So Hercules is a bit, he's trying to get his girlfriend out here. But I also think he's got a mistress, which is a white girl. Fucking bloody beautiful, ain't it? Rightio. You've seen my glorious work. And they're all like sheep. And here are all the other birds. Rightio.